everyone, welcome to this video, and you join me on this beautiful hot day. I'm working on this Audi A3, I think it's an 8Y. This is the hatchback version, and what I'm basically doing here today is a full ambient lighting install, but with the Symphony lighting setup. I have worked on one of these cars before. It was a manual if I remember correctly, and we did the Fibre Optic kit, but on this car we're doing the Symphony LED, which is just going to look so much cleaner, so much better. It's definitely going to be a worthwhile investment to go for the LED bead or the Symphony kit, because yeah, you just get a really nice clean finish from them. So without further ado, I'm basically going to dismantle this car. I'll show you guys around some of the differences between working on the automatic versus the manual. So first up is removing the doors. So I've already started removing some of the speaker panels and stuff. So just going to go around removing all the door cards, and then we can start on the dashboard. So the main difference here between this car and the previous one is this is an automatic. So to remove this panel, so once we've gotten it up to this point, it's a bit funny and awkward to take out. There we go. So you have those two tabs at the back that basically kind of slide into it, but just disconnect the wiring. There we go. So that's the main different panel removed. This panel's been removed now. So the other difference we're going for on these doors is the strip light is coming through. I've been able to feed it through the original ambient lighting spot here, disconnected that wire, and that then gets brought through on this side. Just gotta line it up nicely so that it's all perfectly level, and that's how the door card will have its ambient lighting. So everyone, I actually didn't fully film the install on this Audi A3, and it kind of become a little bit of a crazy one because the owner really quickly needed the car to be finished. So I didn't get to do the full like I normally do, even recording after it's all finished and stuff like that, because they were literally like, gotta get the car as quick as I can. I think she had to go and get her kids or something along those lines. But what I was able to do was I was able to take some pictures and stuff like that. So a little bit of a video here and there, and then some pictures real quickly, and then they had to shoot off. So unfortunately I didn't get a chance to do a full demonstration at the end of this car, but if I do get another one of these in, I will definitely look at doing a full video with that. So if you do have one of these cars, please get in touch, because I would love that opportunity. In fact, I have a few more ideas as to how to get the best out of this interior, so that's something that I'll be really interested in doing. Yeah, so the website is up and live, so I'll leave a link in the description down below of exactly where to click to get this install booked in. I'm just going to add some pictures of how this turned out, and that's it everyone. That is where we're going to end this video. If you like the content and you would like to support the channel, please consider subscribing, give the video a like, and leaving your thoughts in the comments down below. If you are interested in an install, click on the website. That'll be the best way to get yourself booked in as quick as possible, or you can reach out to me on Instagram, but I'll still most likely ideally have everything through the website now. Everyone, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.